akin, nandito ako sa C5 Boni Serrano. Walk the walk. Batang Regasco. Rodix. Tapos nandito pala yung Idang Pansit. 8 minutes walk pa. Meron doon 7-Eleven, Baker's Fair, Army Navy, Pancake House, Yellow Cab. And yeah, 4 minutes walk pa. Okay. Okay, I have arrived. So naglakad ako ng 20 minutes just to buy halo-halo. Yeah, when craving hits is real. Okay, tatawid na ako. My Pines West. Pipila na ako. There's a long line. Graduate ako ng PUP, so sanay ako sa pila. Look at the tree. Halo-halo story. At my halo-halo after an hour waiting. Ako, 20 minutes walk again.